Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Divine Blessing. Thank you so much, all my subscribers. May God bless you. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. May God Almighty bless you. Now do well for na daughter body, for na sister body, for na friend body. Now do well, now God, now go pay na back. Thank you so much. Abeg, if you dey watch my video you never subscribe, abeg make you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe na just free. Abeg, just press that red bell and make you press that bell, make you press that subscription and that button, so anytime wey your sister take put a news video you go be the first person wey go see am. Thank you so much for your love, for your support. May God bless you all. So abeg, today e get topic wey e get um that is the comment when I receive from my comment section. So that make me come out today, may I make this video, may I for take yeah, give my own opinion concerning the that is the waiting the person ask, you know, understand. So that make me come here. Thank you. Abeg, make you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you go understand wetin I mean. So the person he write, he say in here say baby, that is to carry pregnancy is very difficult. So since I have 4 children, I should that is, he asked me if it's so or if it's not so, because the person say he wan marry na, but dem say to carry pregnancy dey difficult or all those stuff. So na make me confess thing, my sister, I fit encourage you. You know say because say pikin a pregnancy dey difficult make you say you no go born, that one not possible. You no understand. No, say as you make up your mind say you wan born, make you born. No look wetin people dey talk, no look whether difficult or not difficult. Remember that nothing good come easily. You no understand me. So for you to bring a human being to this world, not be just one day journey. You no understand. So now that one go be my first encouragement when I want to encourage you. So for my own part, I am a mother of 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. So for my own part, my first pregnancy with my daughter, my first one, so I be person, I vomit for good 3 months. I dey vomit, I no dey eat, and so yes, I no dey eat, I go just dey vomit. You understand? So for good 3 months I no dey eat, I go just dey vomit. I dey spit anywhere when I go. I dey always carry can follow body. That month can, that is any can wey dey dark, wey be say people no go know say na spit na it dey inside, na that kind can na I dey always carry follow body. If I dey where people dey, I go just dey do am as style say I wan drink something, but na spit na dey put inside, because I no dey fit swallow spit. Na so the spit go dey come every minute, na so the spit go just dey come. I no dey fit swallow am. So I need to dey, I no come dey so just dey spit. So the best I will carry that anything container when I go dey put am with style. So after 3 months I come fit dey eat small. So but I sick, but I no, dem no admit me one day for hospital until the day when I give birth. So everything was still fine, you understand. But I spit throughout the 9 months. I dey spit, I dey carry can follow anywhere when I dey go. The spit non stop. So that one come finish for there. When I get belle with the second one, that one na boy, I dey very strong. I no too vomit. I vomit but not so much. So I still dey spit, but I was so strong. I dey very strong. So I fit do anything when I want do, I fit do. I no dey disturb me. So I dey very strong throughout the pregnancy. So I no too get all those. Before I go just lie down. When I first get belle with my daughter, I go sleep, I no go fit do anything. But when I get belle with the second one, the boy, I dey okay. I dey fit do anything. I no dey even dey feel tired. I no even dey, you know, everything just dey okay. That one na my first boy belle. When I get belle with am, everything just dey okay. So I no dey feel tired, dey anything wey I wan do I dey get that power to do am. You understand? It was okay. When I still get belle with the second boy, the same thing, everything dey okay. I dey very strong. If I even tell you say I get belle, you no go believe because of wetin I go dey do. You no understand? I dey okay. I fit do anything wey I wan do. I no just get problem. Anyway, I still dey spit, but the spit no just come be like from the beginning to 9 months. E no be like that. I fit spit like 3 months now, the spit go come dey reduce. I still dey eat bitter kola, because I no dey eat eko. E get one thing wey dem dey call eko. I no dey eat that one. I no like am. I dey eat bitter kola sometimes, and if dem still bring pepper fruit come for me from home, I still dey use that one sometimes. So na so that one take good. Everything just dey fine. I no get problem. When I get belle for that 2 boys, everything dey okay with the girl, everything. Because when I get belle for the girl, I no get any experience. If I just get any little pain, I go meet doctor. Doctor will tell me say na normal, make I go back home, say everything dey okay. So when I come get belle for the second one, I come know say maybe if I get pain now, say na normal, I'll just remove my mind from there, make the thing for no bother me. Na so I come dey do am. But when I come get belle with this last one, Jesus, my brothers and sisters, if you say na so belle be, I no sure say people for the born. No be say I dey make mouth. Wey you mean say suffer, I sick. Even people wey dey around me, dem go even dey tell me say see as you just dey do, e no even be like say you wey don first get 3 children, na you just dey do like this. So but dem no dey understand say all pregnancy no be the same. All children, all baby no be the same. Dem no dey understand that one. You no understand? So people dey tell me say na wow mama, na you just dey do this one. I love it, na you just dey do this one. Upon say you don first get 3 issue, this one na the 4th one, na you just dey be like baby. Dem no understand. My brothers and sisters, when I get this belle, this last one belle, before I get belle, I dey weigh 79 kilo. Na I dey weigh. When I come get that belle, right from that very day when I know say I get belle, na so I vomit. Sorry my people. Vomit, dey spit. This one wey I dey tell you say vomit, na rubber, better big rubber, na I dey arrange for line. When I dey vomit put sometimes 2 days, common water no go enter my mouth. I come dey force myself, come dey eat all this cucumber or anything, make something for still enter my mouth. I come lean, I come dey weigh 70. I lose 9 kilo instantly. No be only that one, the kind of pain wey I dey get, oh God. If this pain come, I no dey fit bear the pain. The next thing na hospital, na I go see myself. If I reach hospital, dem go do all test. Dem go tell me say the baby is 100% fine, nothing dey do am. But I no know where this pain for dey come. I go stay for hospital, na so dem go dey give me painkiller. Sometimes if the painkiller even finish, dem say e don too much, the one wey dem give me, dem no wan give me again. I go dey cry. I go say I still get pain. And no be say I just dey cry. The pain was just too much. I no know wetin dey cause the pain. I no fit talk wetin dey cause the pain. But anytime wey dem do check-up, dem say the baby dey okay, everything dey okay. You no understand? So I come dey imagine. Sometimes no be say I go down, I come back the same day. I'll stay for 4 days. I'll stay for 5 days. Dem say okay, make I still go house. I go still come house. If I still reach house, maybe 2 months or 1 month again, I go still see myself for hospital. Na so I come dey do am. I go vomit. Even the house doctor when I go dey see, that one I come tire. In the morning, the night, I no dey fit sleep. Morning, I no dey fit sleep because of that pain. I go just the belle go dey e go dey hit me, e go be like say the pikin wan comot. But if I reach doctor, don say the baby dey okay, say nothing dey do the baby just dey okay, perfect. Now many people come dey talk say if I never experience am before, because all the 3 children wey I first get, I no too put gap before I born them. Do you understand? So like my senior daughter now, e use I born 2 of them a year and 5 months. Now I take born 2 of them. While the other one, I can't use the one with that one, I can't use 2 years still senior the other one. So I no too put gap. But this last one, I put 7 years before I come get belle for this last one. People come dey tell me say na because of that one na im be the problem. Me, I no really know wetin be the problem. You understand? I no fit talk am. But doctor no see anything. And the baby, dem dey always tell me say the baby dey fine, the baby is okay. But wetin come dey shock me for inside belle, na that one na me no understand. Na that one na I no know. You understand me so? So na so I dey do am. I go cause the ask doctor. That one go tell me say okay, no problem, may I come. Dem come even because of me get bed for there. I no know say dem get bed for there. Dem come put bed for there, put me for there, fix drip for me, give me painkiller until when my children go close for school around 3:30. I come comot for there, go wait for them, follow them go house, make dem for no stay alone. Na so I come dey do am, my people. The thing really hard. I no go lie. E be like say I never born before. For me to even cook na problem. Wetin I dey do, so I just enter bedroom. I no go even fit use sponge anything, but I just pour water whether I go still get strength. You understand? Everything just different totally. I never get that kind experience before. Me myself, I can't even dey surprise say wetin dey happen. So na so the last hospital when I go before I come finally give birth. I think I dey like 7 months or 6 months plus. Na I dey, na my belle dey. Na so the pain still start again. As the pain start again, I come go see myself for hospital again. As I come reach hospital, I dey vomit. Dem fit drip, dem fix painkiller for my body. Na so I dey vomit. Dem don still do test, dem tell me say dem no see anything. So I come dey vomit for there. When I come, e get one woman wey I come meet for the room. That one still get problem. I don't know wetin be her problem, but na white person. So na me with the woman na im dey the room. So when I come dey vomit now, the woman no dey, I come dey press that bell. So make nurses for come, make dem help me. As one as e just open door, e just see me. Na so e just go back. Abeg, why I dey share these things? Abeg, my brothers and sisters, anything wey you dey go or anything dey happen hospital, just pray say make God use better person. If you wan born, make God use better nurse. If you dey sick, make God use better doctor, because there are some people there, dem no just get head. I no go lie you no understand. So na so as I just press the bell, as e just see am, na so e just run back. E say im dey come, e no come. I wait for so long, I no see am. The one cellophane wey dem give me say in case if I wan vomit, I don vomit full that one don full. Na ground na I come dey vomit. Dem fit drip for me. For me to even stand up for bed na problem for me. Na so I come dey ring the bell. Na so one come as e just come now, e say na that time na corona really be corona, wey corona dey really hot. That was last year February, this thing wey I dey talk so. So na so the woman just tell me say see, as far as I dey vomit, so maybe na this virus, say then I no go fit stay with that woman for room again. Na play. Na so dem carry me, my brothers and sisters, they go keep me for one hidey room. I no even know say that kind room dey that hospital. Dem tell me say this room wey I dey so, nobody go come enter there greet me. May I no come out from the door. Now I say wetin happen? Wetin I do? I kill person? Since when I get this belle, una know me for this hospital say na vomit na dey carry me come and pain. Why e come be say this one come be another thing? Dem say e no concern dem. My brothers and sisters, that night I cry my life. I cry say which kind thing be this one? Dem say me I no come out from the door. They say me I no come out. So if I even ring bell say doctor come, nurse, dem no go enter inside my room. Dem go from door dey ask me wetin I want. Now I say e don tough. This one e don too tough. Na so I come take sleep that day. I no sleep. I cry till day come break. As day break, na tell dem say I wan go house. Dem say no, say I no go go house. I still need to stay. Say I need to take more drink because I no dey eat. You understand? And the baby come small. The baby na e no even reach 2 kilo, very small, because I no dey eat. I dey lose kilo every time and I no dey eat. You no understand? Because okay, me I stay, me I for take more drip. If dem wan even come give me drip, my brother sister, dem go tie their self. Now I say wetin come dey do now? Before I enter this hospital, I do COVID-19 test. Why e come be say na another thing because of vomit? You no understand? I come say I wan go. That night I no sleep. I cry till daybreak. The next day I tell dem say I wan comot. Dem say make doctor come. If doctor say yes, I comot. If doctor say no, I no go fit comot. Now I come dey there. As the doctor come, my brothers and sisters, I no even enter the room. He just open the door, just ask me say Alex, okay. Then I tell am say no, Alex, e no good. Make e come sign. I wan comot. If dem say me I sign, I go sign. I wan comot. He say in the corner, so he take comot. Dem no gree make I comot. When my children come close from school, I come say make my friend bring dem come hospital, because na so dem dey do am. Each time when I go, if dem close for school, dem see me before dem go at all. As my children come out, dem say dem no go gree make dem enter inside. When I say for what? Wetin dey happen? Now I tell dem say this one na my own children. Why dem go tell dem say make dem no enter the room wey dem put me? Now I say if na so, I go comot for this hospital. Na dem come say okay. Na so my children come dem come enter house. Dem come, me I dey cry, dem dey cry. The thing come tire me. I come dey beg dem say I wan go house. I no wan stay here again, abeg. I no wan stay here again, abeg. I wan comot. Dem say e no possible. Say doctor don already comot. Say till the next day before doctor go come again. Now I say okay. I come tell my children say okay, make una dey go house. Tomorrow by God grace I go comot. If dem say make I sign, I go sign. Oh God. So the next day the doctor come. Now I come tell am say I wan comot. He say why? Now I say no, I don tire to stay here. I get children, I need to go house. He come say okay, make I sign. Na so I come take sign. The place where dem put me, my brothers and sisters, if dem wan even come give me food for there, the food I no dey eat, the way dem no go even wan reach the room. You know why some people dem dey die for loneliness, or you know say maybe no be wetin dem think say dey do the person, but by fear or by this thing dem go just go keep am wey be say nobody fit come dey see am there. The person go die quick. You don understand? So the next day na so I come take comot. I come go house. As I reach house, my brothers and sisters, I no feel happy. Before I comot that day, that I lay down for inside the hospital, now I say God abeg, until I give birth, I no wan come back to this hospital again because of this thing wey I experience now. I no wan come back here again. God abeg, help me, let this pain disappear until that 7 months. Until the 9 months. I no wan come here again. So na so I come comot. I come go house. As I reach house, my people, I no feel happy. So if I come get pain, I no come go doctor again. I go call my house doctor. That one I come say me I come go come say fix painkiller for me, that at least for 2 hours I still go home. If na the pain wey na fit bear, I no go comot for house. I go just dey roll up and down for my parlour there. Na so I come dey do am. Before God come really do am till that 9 months, before I come go the same hospital go give birth. So my sister, no be say I dey tell you this one to scare you or anything. No. That very moment, each time when I go to doctor, when I go do checkup, if dem show me the way this baby I see am, I dey see am for screen as doctor dey do am, I dey see the way this baby dey kick, the way e be. That give me joy, that make me feel strong, that make me believe that I can do it. You no understand? So I dey do this video, abeg, e no mean say that my pregnancy be like that, say na so your own go be. No, all body no be the same. You see wetin I talk before, the remaining 3 wey I first get, e no be like this, na only this one na come be like this. So even that very day when I born for hospital, I know say I dey pain, but as I push that baby come out, dem put am for my chest, e dey cry. That give me joy, e make me feel good, e make me feel joy. You no understand? So all those pain, all those tears wey I share, e just turn to joy instantly. I no remember all those pain again. Sorry, I no remember wetin I pass through, but seeing that baby alone, e give me joy, e give me happiness. Na be this baby wey dey run up and down each time when I dey do video. Today now, you can also send her message say go and bring water. If your hand reach am, go bring am. So no let wetin people experience for their own pregnancy, no let am discourage you. Abeg, everybody no be the same. You no understand? So go and have your own baby. So not say because of say people are say it's difficult, is this, you no want to born. No, you no go remember say na more than I born you. Why not? You no understand? So if me wey stand here, wey dey talk to you, so I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, why you no go fit do am? I go do am. You no understand? You go still do am. As far as say God say yes, you can never say no. So na that one I be my whole experience when I share with you now. I hope you like this video. I hope e give you the correct answer wey you want hear. Abeg, share this video for family, for friends, share with your loved ones. May God bless you. Give this video a good thumbs up. Abeg, if you still get another question, write am for the comment section. I dey very happy making this video, sharing my experience with you. It's very good. Abeg, mother everybody there, if you still get your own experience, still write am for the comment section. Everybody dey learn, nobody is perfect. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. I love you. Many kisses. Bye.